Meaning of frazzle.
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 Frazzle. Frazzle means to exhaust or wear out someone or something through intense and prolonged effort or stress. It is often used to describe a state of extreme fatigue, anxiety, or overwork. When someone is frazzled, they may feel mentally and physically drained, unable to concentrate or think clearly. This can result in decreased productivity, poor performance, and even burnout. It is important to prioritize self-care and stress management techniques to avoid becoming frazzled and to maintain a healthy work-life balance.